Iya. And in that farm there is a dog that says ow, 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 ow. And in that farm there is a cat that gently says meow. Oh, yeah. And in that farm there is a monkey that says ooh, ooh, ah, ah. And in that farm there is a mama cow that says, what's the sound of the cow? Moo moo. Moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. Iya. And in that farm there is a tiger that says, yo, angry tiger. And in that farm there is how about a cheetah? Oh, the angry cheetah then. How about a monkey? What's the sound of the monkey? Ooh, ooh. How about we go to China? How do you greet people in China? Ni hao. Ni hao. In Japan? Oh. Ha. Yo. Let's call Nene. Can we call Nene? Where's Nene? Nene. Na. Ne. Ni. No. No. Nene. Very good. Old MacDonald had a farm. Iya. And in that farm there is a little Elmo that sings la 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 la. Elmo sings la 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 la. What is this? Can we say apple? You wanna eat red apple? Say apple. La 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 la. What's the sound of apple? How about the sound of baby? How about the sound of candy? Achoo! God bless you. God bless you. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Tata Abeng. Say bye-bye. Ay, upuan na. Sorry po. It's alright.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Let's go to China.
Bye-bye.
How about we go to China?
China. What do you say?
Ni? Okay, bye.